In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a URL in WordPress. Redirects are essential when you rename a page, change your permalink structure, or move content to a new location. They make sure visitors and search engines land on the right page instead of seeing an error. We'll use a reliable plugin to set this up quickly and safely. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard with an account that has administrator access. From the left-hand menu, open Plugins and choose Add New. In the search bar, type Redirection. You're looking for the well-known Redirection plugin. It's widely used and frequently updated, which is important for compatibility and security. Click Install Now, and when the button changes, click Activate. After activation, the plugin adds a simple interface for creating and managing redirects without editing code. Next, go to Tools in the left menu and click Redirection. The first time you open it, you'll see a short setup process. Click Start Setup, then Finish Setup. This initializes the plugin so it can start tracking and applying redirects. The setup is quick, and you can accept the defaults. They're sensible for most sites. Now you'll see the main redirection screen, where you can create your first redirect. There are two key fields to focus on. In Source URL, enter the old URL, the address people are currently using that you want to replace. This can be the full URL or just the path, and it should match how the old page appeared. Consistency matters. If your old page used HTTPS and a trailing slash, reflect that here so the match is accurate. In Target URL, enter the new URL, the destination where you want visitors to land. Use the correct protocol, ideally HTTPS, and make sure there are no typos or extra spaces. A clean, correct target ensures users and search engines reach the content you intend. By default, the Redirection plugin creates a permanent 301 redirect, which tells search engines to transfer ranking signals to the new URL. That's exactly what you want when content has been moved for good. When both fields look right, click Add Redirect. The rule is saved immediately and will begin working right away. Behind the scenes, the plugin listens for requests to the source URL and seamlessly forwards them to the target URL, improving user experience and preserving your SEO value. If your site uses caching or a content delivery network, be aware that changes might take a moment to propagate, but in most cases the redirect is effective instantly. And that's it. Your URL redirect in WordPress is set up and ready.